If you are trying to conceive, you know that timing is everything. In our last video, we talked about cramps after ovulation. But today we are answering the biggest question of all. When is the absolute best time to have sex to get pregnant? A lot of people think you need to hit the exact moment the egg is released, but doctors say that's actually a myth. The real secret lies in understanding something called your fertile window.
Welcome back to ParentUno. I'm here to break down the science of conception into simple steps. Let's find your window. To understand timing, we need to look at the players involved. First, the egg. Once you ovulate, the egg is only viable for a very short time. Studies suggest usually just 12 to 24 hours. If it isn't fertilized in that short time frame, it dissolves. However, sperm are much more resilient. According to the American Society for Reproductive Medicine, healthy sperm can survive inside the female reproductive tract for up to 5 days.
This difference in lifespan is crucial. It means the goal isn't just to have intercourse on the day of ovulation,
but to have sperm already waiting there before the egg arrives. This brings us to the definition of the fertile window. Medically speaking, this window is the 5 days leading up to and the day of ovulation. That's a 6-day period each cycle where pregnancy is possible. But are all those days equal? Not quite. Doctors say your absolute highest chance of conception occurs on the 2 days before ovulation and the day of ovulation itself.
Think of it this way. Having sex 3 days before ovulation gives you a good chance. But having sex 1 day before gives you the best chance.
So how do you know when you're in this window? Your body gives you clues. The biggest one is a change in cervical mucus. As you approach ovulation, it becomes clear, stretchy, and slippery, like raw egg whites. This special mucus is what helps sperm survive those 5 days. You can also use ovulation predictor kits, or OPKs, which detect a hormone surge usually 24 to 36 hours before the egg is released.
I know tracking can get overwhelming. If this sounds stressful,
here's some friendly advice. Don't get too fixated on the exact hour. Many doctors simply suggest having intercourse every 1 to 2 days throughout the middle of your cycle. This ensures you will likely hit that peak window without the stress of complex tracking. Let's recap to keep it simple. 1. Your fertile window is about 6 days long. 2. Sperm can live for 5 days waiting for the egg. 3. The best days are the 2 days before ovulation and the day of ovulation.
Be patient with yourself. Even with perfect timing, it's normal for healthy couples to take up to 6 months to conceive. Keep things fun and low stress as much as possible.
Now that you know when the window is, you might be wondering what is actually happening inside your body during that time. In the next video, we're going to explain exactly how ovulation really works in simple terms.
Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that deep dive. Sending you baby dust, and see you in the next video.